Everyone should have a baseline hearing test done by the age of 40, so we know if changes occur, what is going on with your hearing abilities. The most accurate hearing tests are going to be performed in a soundproof booth. That way, you're not easily distracted by outside noises. A hearing test should never hurt at all. In the sound booth, we always want to make sure we're not presenting levels that are uncomfortably loud. So we're always going to start with something soft and gradually increase the levels of intensity. A typical hearing test lasts 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how many tests we need to perform to make sure we have an accurate picture of your ears. You cannot flunk a hearing test. A hearing test is just a check of the softest levels you hear 50% of the time.